Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So this is the hourly time frame, and what I found is basically that we have a strong resistance area at 1.0745. So this is the area where we have multiplier rejections, and as you can see, this pin bar also from last Friday, and today market is just building this consolidation last couple of hours. So at this point, there are some scenarios that I will cover, some potential scenarios around. So one scenario is, if we can clear this tight consolidation that we're just creating here, and if we go downside, then there is a chance for the retest of this rising trend line or eventual lows at 1.0700 mark, maybe even 1.0685. For the bigger confirmation for the downside, I would like to see the breakdown and then hold below. So this can open the door for the lower prices and even for the price at around 1.0660-650 mark. Scenario for the upside will be market can clear this to the upside and trade and hold above 1.0750. This will be a sign that we might even see potential 1.0770 area, 775, which is also important pivot level from the background. We have the clusters of the lows, which can act like resistance. So those scenarios, if there is even bigger rally and even we hold above this, so then there's a chance for even test of the 1.0800 mark. Now, speaking of the gold market, it's in a similar situation. There is a resistance zone that market is, you can see here, that's kind of got rejected around 1929, 1930 mark. It's also a projected line, the trend line here, and it's also resistance horizontal at this point. So for now, market is respecting this area. We can have some potential rotation to 1923, 1918. That's one potential scenario. Another scenario, we overtake this pin bar and try to attack actually 1935, and then there either we have some rejection or we still have going on and holding above, which can lead this even up to the 1945. So those are some alternative scenarios as well. Crude oil seems like holding very strongly. We have contraction here on the hourly time frame, so we can see here that market is building this contraction, and the breakout to the upside and hold above the 88.40 mark. This will be a good sign for the further higher prices. If we check like the higher time frames, we still have plenty of reference points, like we have a 90.50 and even this 93.55 mark, like a short-term speaking. So this is a strong upside cycle. From other side, if market can clear the low at 86.30, let's say aggressively, and trade below, hold below, then there is a chance for 85.25 or even for the price around 84.20. The upcycle and the short-term trend is upside. And Bitcoin versus US dollar, still in a heavy consolidation. Nothing really changed. I will switch to the 4-hour time frame. And we can see here that we have this support zone, and market is absolutely trading in this consolidation back and forth, and it's the middle of the consolidation, 25,800 mark. If we can clear this area, 25,200 and hold below, this can open the door for 24,000 to be on the test or even lower. If we can aggressively trade above the 26,500 and hold above, then there is a chance for retest of 27,600 mark. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.